When it comes to doing makeup, sometimes taking it off is just as satisfying as putting it on. So you ready to take it off with me? Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I recently got a brand new product in from Gerard Cosmetics, and this is the new Slay Away the Day Makeup Removing Balm. I am so excited to be using this. It just came in, it's brand new, and I'm like, oh, I gotta get this makeup off because I can't wait to use it. Now, just like the Slay Away the Day sprays, these have different scents. I have the scent Rose. Now, this product is very simple to use. You just apply it to the skin, let it melt your makeup away, and then wipe it off. Easy peasy. The Gerard Cosmetics Slay Away the Day Makeup Removing Balm is super easy to use. You apply directly onto dry skin, so right over your makeup, and you massage gently until the product literally melts your makeup away. Once your makeup is completely melted, wipe with a wet cloth or tissue, and make sure to avoid direct contact with the eyes. I loved how I could just simply wipe my face. I didn't have to rub. I didn't have to rub, tug, or pull on my skin to get rid of my makeup from the day. This Slay Away the Day Makeup Removing Balm really helped me to remove all of my makeup from the day, and it smelled amazing. I loved the rose scent. It was super, super refreshing. By the way, my cat's saying hi because she won't stop playing with my background. So say hi, Sunshine. Stop playing with Mommy's background. And I loved the fragrance. I'm a big fan of the sprays, like the setting sprays. This was like everything I loved about the setting spray in reverse. So I love the fragrance, I love how it lets my makeup last all day, and I love how easy it is to use. This is the same thing except for this takes your makeup off really fast, has a beautiful fragrance, and is really simple to use. I am a big fan of this product because you only need a tiny little drop to remove all of your makeup, and as somebody that's really concerned with wrinkles, I don't want to be tugging on my sensitive areas of my skin, like under my eye. I don't want to be pulling on my skin. I don't want to be creating more wrinkles, so I love that this really easily takes my makeup off without a lot of hassle. It literally just melts it off, and it feels very moisturizing on the skin. She smells and she's like, ooh, what's this rose? Can I have some? Kitties don't wear makeup. Now, this product is available in other scents, so if you want to check it out, I'll be leaving a link in the info section below. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give me a like and subscribe. If you aren't already, head over to Instagram at Recycled Stardust. Give me a follow. I'm always posting food, fashion, flat lays, makeup. Underneath all of my makeup posts, there is the makeup recipe, which features all the ingredients for that specific makeup look. So be sure to check it out. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching.